Hey friends, on today's episode, I'm going to take you on a tour of the cutest Airbnb in Round Rock, Texas. Stay tuned. Welcome to Annabella's studio. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of the cutest little Airbnb located in Round Rock, Texas. So Annabella's studio started out down at the Woodbine Mansion. It's in downtown historic Round Rock, and the house was brought up the street and located in my neighbor's backyard, and she has renovated it completely and turned it into a darling Airbnb. So you can see it going under the power lines, and here you have it after a full renovation. Now the yard has so many super cute outdoor features, like this old bathtub that they've turned into a planter, and artists in the neighborhood have painted beautiful designs on it. Has a water feature in the yard that makes it so calming. And then the house, you can see, just sits and so inviting. It has a porch. It has a welcome to all the guests. So anytime a guest comes, your name's going to be on the board. You can sit out here and enjoy the fireflies at night. And you notice that there is a bicycle out front. You can take this bicycle, you can explore the downtown historic charm of the neighborhood. We also have a little shopping area down there. Or you can just sit out on the porch if you want to. One of the greatest things about Annabella's studio is the stained glass features. And you see it here on the front door from the inside and the out. And right inside the front door, there's a little coffee nook where you can make your coffee. You can heat up something in a microwave if you want to. They have a little coffee maker, so you can enjoy that in the mornings or in the evenings, whatever suits you. And then over to the side of that is a tiny little eating nook. And it's a super cute chandelier in the top. And yep, you guessed it, those are some of my chairs there that I did for Annabella's studio. So cute, and it's a great little breakfast nook to be able to enjoy your breakfast there. Now, over on the other side of the room is the sitting area. And so there's a full sofa that is actually a sleeper sofa. So if you have someone else staying with you and you don't want to share a bed, or if you have a child, they can always sleep on the sofa sleeper that actually pulls out into a queen size bed. Now, inside there is, in the sitting area, is also an armoire that has a full TV in it. They have full internet hookups. And over on the other side is the kitchen. And of course, they have a cute Smeg refrigerator. They have a little sink, a small little stove and oven, and a butcher block where you can prepare all your meals if you need to. Super cute. I mean, just look at these. It makes me just want to go over there and cook a meal. It's so darling. Now above the kitchen area is a picture of a woman named Nancy Earl. And Nancy Earl was one of the favorite cooks of the original family that owned the home. And in that picture, she's actually smoking a cigar. It's kind of cool. So you can see this old medicine cabinet that I helped wallpaper for this space. Just all kinds of really neat features in this small little quaint little cute kitchen. Off of the kitchen in the living space is the bedroom, and there is a great big nice comfortable bed in the back, all kinds of treats that Lisa likes to leave. And if you notice on the side table is actually a little suitcase that she put on a stand. So that's a little side table. Very cute little features. You can notice all the colorful pillows that are in this space. Another nightstand on the other side. And yep, there's another one of my chairs there. You're also going to notice it has beautiful stained glass windows. Again, these are gorgeous antique windows throughout the entire Annabella's studio. Now, as we turn toward the other side of the room is the bathroom. And there's a barn door, and oh, there is something super cool that you're seeing right here. It is a bicycle sink. Yes, they have a bicycle sink, and this is an old bicycle. Her husband was able to rig up the sink to it, and so this is for the bathroom. So cute and so unique. Within this bathroom, there's also a really fun little chandelier that is painted bright green to match the stained glass windows that you find in the place as well. And then through a doorway is a private toilet and shower. And inside the shower has some custom tiles that some of the neighbors and artists of the neighborhood created, and they all have something significant to say about the homeowner and Annabella's studio itself. And there's some of the cute tiles right there. Off of the bedroom is an outside side porch. So you not only have the front porch, you have a little side porch too, and you can sit out there and have some drinks or have your coffee in the morning and then go right back around to the front porch where you see this cute bicycle again. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this tour of Annabella's studio, and if you want to book it, I will put the link in the description below. And that's it for this week, friends. If you like this episode, be sure to hit that like button below and subscribe to my channel if you haven't. I hope you have a great week. Until next time, bye.